body mind relationship, modulation process. Mind is the sum total of various mental processes such as thinking, knowing, feeling, reasoning, observing, wishing, judging, remembering, etc. Mind is regarded as the function of body. It does not exist apart from the body. Our mind grows as our body grows. Level of mind: conscious, preconscious, unconscious. However, there is no separate compartment for each level in our mind. Analysis of conscious mental phenomena, cognition, to know, affect, to feel, conation, to do. These are also known as modes of consciousness or ways of being conscious. Conscious processes are not purely cognitive, affective, or conative. A conscious process is called cognitive, affective, or conative, depending on the mode that predominates in it. Mental functions and physical status affect each other. This relationship is called as interactionism. Various systems of body are responsible for the ways of our thinking, feeling, wishing. In the same manner, mind too affects our body system or physical status. Mind relationship, psychosomatic medicine, focus on the study of treatment of disease believed to be caused by emotional conflicts. Treatment is directed to both the sources, that is, emotions and physical states. Psychological interventions like imagery, hypnosis, and relaxation have been found to be very effective in improving the quality of life, mood, and reducing disease and treatment related symptoms such as chemotherapy, induced vomiting, and pain in case of cancer. Body. The human body is the whole structure of a human being and comprises a head, neck, trunk, arm, hands, leg, feet. Every part of body is composed of various types of cells. Anatomy and physiology. Study of parts of body, anatomy. This study of functions of body parts is physiology. Mind. What is mind? The human consciousness that originates in the brain and is manifested especially in thought, perception, emotion, will, memory, and imagination. Elements of body and mind. First, elements of body. Anatomy, which means parts of body. Second, physiology, which is study of functions of every parts of body. The elements of mind, including first sensation, second perception, 3 learning, 4 thinking and memory, 5 emotion, motivation, etc. Body-mind relationship. The mind is about mental process, thought and consciousness. The body is about the physical aspects of the brain, neurons, and how the brain is structured, etc. The mind-body problem is about how these two interact. Behaviorists believe that psychology should only be concerned with observable actions, namely stimulus and response. The biologists who argue that the mind does not exist because there is no physical structure. Look at this picture, mind and body. Theories of relation between mind and body. Divided into 2 broad categories. First, monistic theories. Second, dualistic theories. Detail going on. First, monistic theories. These suggest that mind and body are not separate substance. Look at this picture. Mind, body are 2 sides of the same coin. Second, dualistic theories. According to the dualistic view, mind is thought to be of a substance other than a physical substance. Look at this picture. Mind, body, separate substance. Schools of thought on the body-mind relationship. First school, double aspectism. Second, phenomenalism. 3, idealism. 4, interactionism. 5, materialism. 6, occasionalism. 7, parallelism. 8, pre-stabilized harmony. A detail going on. 1, double aspectism. Mind and body are distinguishable but inseparable. Cognitive and empirical aspects can be distinguished from physical aspects. So there is a separate mind and body, short of. Second, epiphenomenalism. The mind is really just a byproduct of the physical brain. Only physical events in the brain, example, neurons firing, have causal power. Look at this picture. Mind is a byproduct of body. Body having causal power to mind. Three, idealism. According to idealism, what one knows to be real is in some way confined to the contents of one's own mind. Anything we experience through our senses is colored by how our mind perceives it. We therefore cannot have access to external reality. Look at this picture. We can only know of body through mind. Four, interactionism. Sometimes the mind affects the body, and sometimes the body affects the mind. The body and the mind are separate, and they affect one another or interact with each other. Look at this. Sometimes body affects mind. Look at this picture. Look at this. Sometimes mind affect body. 5, materialism. This is the view that only physical matter is real. The body is governed by strictly material, non-material causes. Look at this picture. Mind, body. Only body is real. Mind may not even exist. 6, occasionalism. It seems that God is following us around all day, and when the mind gives the body some instruction, vice versa, God makes it happen. Look at this picture. When mind and body interact, God makes it happen. Look at this. 7, parallelism. Mind and body are separate, but they are perfectly synchronized. Look at this picture. Body and mind are synchronized by coincidence. Look at this. Body, mind. 8, pre-stabilized harmony. Mind and body at the time of their creation were perfectly synchronized by God, like two clocks set for exactly the same time. So this is the picture. Body and mind are perfectly synchronized by God. Body and mind versus health and illness. The physical structure of the body plays an important role in the behavior of an individual. Look at this interaction body mind response to health. Behavioral and psychosocial factors. Psychosocial factors can influence the course of chronic human disease along several pathways. Behavior that has perceived short-term benefits, such as mood enhancement induced by cigarette smoking or excessive alcohol consumption, but that causes long-term injury, constitutes when a person interacts with society, the body and mind affected, influenced by stimuli or environment. Undesirable stimulus, which is induced stress. Stress is cause root of all kinds of diseases. Physiology of health and illness. When a person interacts or behave in society, first affect brain, body by stimuli and nerve system, which is stimulate endocrine system, also affect immune system. Explanation: interact with the environment, stimulus, brain affected by stimuli, nerve systems of human body, endocrine system involved, then organic system of human body involved, stress, undesirable stimulus can cause stress. Stress affect immune system and influence or affect the health status of people. Detail going on. When a person interacts with the environment, perceives stimuli through sense organs. Senses affect the brain and stimulate nervous system. Nervous system influences endocrine system. Endocrine glands secrete hormones. Hormones stimulate organic system of human body, change functions of organs. such as BP, blood pressure, breathing, and biochemistry of body. Unable to cope with stress causing imbalance in organic system of human body, which leads to affect immune system and opportunistic diseases. Diseases affect health status of individual. Systems involved interaction of body and mind. First, socio-cultural system, including environment. Second, the enzymic system, which includes the endocrine system. 3, organic system. 4, nervous system. 5, psychological system. Physiological response to interaction of body and mind. A, increased heart rate. B, rapid breathing. C, releasing of stress hormones, adrenaline or epinephrine and noradrenaline. D, increased blood pressure, BP. E, muscles tightening often become very tight. F, changes in blood flow circulation. G, heightened senses, height, perspiring or sweating. I, imbalances in normal hormone levels. Look at this. Body, mind interact, cause behavior, emotions, leads to stress. Stress is cause root of all kinds of diseases, including communicable as well as non-communicable diseases. In addition to above changes, following changes also occur when body and mind interact. Increased central nerve system CNS activity and mental activity. Increased circulation of free fatty acids. Increased output of blood cholesterol. Release of endorphins from the pituitary gland. Dilated pupils of the eyes. Hair stands on its end. Increased brain wave activity. Saliva dries up. Decreased perception of pain. Kidneys decrease output. Bowel and bladder sphincter close. Inhibits erection, vaginal lubrication. Look at this. Nerve system directly involved when interaction of body and mind. Parasympathetic. The nerves directly supply to organs of the body. Sympathetic through spinal nerves. Look at this. Look at this picture for more understanding. When a person interacts with the environment, first affect body, mainly sense organs receive senses to brain. Their hypothalamus, hippocampus, then pituitary gland, amygdala responsible to emotions. Pituitary gland secrete hormone to stimulate adrenal gland. Look at this in the top of the kidney. Adrenal gland secrete adrenaline. Adrenaline is responsible to determine the heart rate. When increase heart rate, the breathing automatically will be changed. In unpredictable situations, a person experiencing over heart rate as well as the breathing. Biosocial resonance. The situation of information incongruities will lead to changes in central nervous system, the autonomic nervous system and the neuroendocrine system. When these systems are affected, susceptibility to disease. Psychoneuroimmunology. It is the study of the interaction between psychological process and the nervous and immune system of the human body and health and illness. Birth of psychoneuroimmunology. In 1975, Robert Adler and Nicholas Cohen at the University of Rochester coined the term psychoneuroimmunology. The rebirth of integrative physiology. In the context of the growing pool of information about genes and gene, regulation has led to the development of new interdisciplinary fields of study such as neuroendocrine immunology and psychoneuroimmunology. The latter includes psychology and an eclectic mix of other disciplines. Neurotransmitters, experience and behavior. Changes in balance among neurotransmitters in the brain can influence behavioral responses to potentially stressful situations, can alter the interpretation of stimuli and might be associated with anxiety and depression. Neural and endocrine effects on the immune system. The immune system is integrated with the nervous and endocrine systems, which modulate aspects of its function. Effects of inflammatory and immune response on the nervous system. Gaining a clear understanding of the flow of neuroendocrine and immunointeractions had to wait for a revolution in cellular and molecular immunology. Stress and immunosystem function. The recognition of the importance of bidirectional communication between neural, endocrine and immunosystems through shared ligands and receptors led to a major research emphasis on immunoregulation by hormones, peptide, neuromodulators and neurotransmitters. Cardiovascular health and disease. Cardiovascular health and disease provide an example of the interaction of behavioral, psychological and social factors. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.